1 minute in the microwave, throw it in the pita, let's go.
You will see some changes. It's guaranteed. You're going to either see how healthy you've been eating or how healthy you haven't been eating. If you're frustrated because you're not hitting your goals, you don't know why you're not losing weight, or you don't know why you're not gaining the weight or gaining muscle and this and that, it's probably because of your nutrition. You need a quick and easy high protein meal that is just so simple. Man, you came to the right video. I got a meal I made yesterday that was so quick and easy. I needed something quick. I needed my protein high, and I'm excited to share this one with you. I actually had to come back to the store to get some more because I kept this in stock. Now, if you keep the right items in stock, if you keep your fridge ready, if you keep your pantry ready, just keep your kitchen ready. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. Come on now. So I'm gonna show you exactly what to get to make this meal, keep this in stock, because this came in clutch yesterday. I didn't know what I was gonna have. I needed something really quick, and luckily I had this in stock. I'm gonna show you a couple different ways. You can do it low carb or regular carb, however you wanna get down, it doesn't matter. This is a great meal for when you need a quick and easy lunch or dinner, or if you're going to work, you can take it to work with you. It's just, man, it's just so simple. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Now, what I want you to do is go look for this right here. Soules Kitchen Chicken. Come on now. Have y'all tried this? You let me know in the comments if you have tried this. This stuff is so good. Now, the great thing about this Soules Chicken is you can make it in the oven, you can make it on the stove, you can make it in the air fryer, you can just pop that joker in the microwave. You're ready to go, all right? There's no more excuses. It is so simple. Let's look at the nutrition on here. So a serving size is 3 ounces, 110 calories, 2 grams of fat, 3 grams of carbs, and 19 grams of protein in here. So what I did is I just had 2 servings, okay? And man, come on now. It is a easy way to get your protein, okay? You need a high protein meal, just go grab you this right here. Even if you don't have tortillas, even if you don't have nothing to put it with, just eat the chicken. Come on now, you're gonna get your protein. I'm trying to tell you, it's just so simple. Let me know if you've tried this, but if you don't want the chicken, if you don't get down with chicken, Soules got you covered. They also had the fajita steak. Come on now. So if you want some beef, or you can get both. Do 1 chicken taco, do 1 beef taco. It don't matter. But man, let me tell you something. This stuff is so good. If you season it right, all you got to do, add a little bit of lemon or lime and a little bit of tahini seasoning. Man, come on now. There's just no more excuses. You're going to stay ready. You're going to get your protein. Let's check the nutrition on this one. A 3-ounce serving is 120 calories, 3.5 grams of fat, 4 grams of carbs, and 17 grams of protein in here, okay? So the chicken has a little bit more protein, but if you don't want to get down with the chicken, you want to grab some fajita steak, come on now. You can make a good salad with this. If you have some cauliflower rice, you can put it with that. There's just so many different options you can use. The thing is, as long as you stay ready with something like this, keep it in your fridge. It'll be ready for you. When you're driving home, you're like, I don't know what we're gonna have for dinner. Kids are like, hey, Dad, what are we gonna have for dinner? No. Be like, I don't know, but I know I got some protein at the house and it's gonna be good, all right? So that's what you're gonna say, because you know your fridge is stocked. You know your kitchen's ready to get down. You don't need to stop at the fast food place. All you need to do is stop at home and make your own food. I'm trying to show you how to do this. I had this meal the other day and it is so good. Let me show you what to put with this, all right? All right, if you don't want to get down with the fajita chicken, it's all right. Soules got you covered on that too. Look at this. Fully cooked flame grilled chicken. Come on now. Season it how you want. Just put it in the air fryer, put it on the stove, put it in the microwave, put it in the oven, put it in something, all right? I'm trying to tell you, it is so simple, okay? Quick and easy meals so you can stay ready. All right, all done in the microwave. Look at that, man, it's smelling good. All right, there's no more excuses. Once you stop making excuses, this whole eating thing is gonna get a lot easier for you. I'm trying to tell you, if you keep your pantry stocked, if you keep your fridge stocked correctly, it's gonna get a lot easier for you, okay? So definitely check this out, all right? Go get some Soules, come on now. And check this out behind me with that chicken. If you just need 1 seasoning to go get, come over to the tahini. Tahini is so good, man. There's so many different kinds you can get. I mean, get you some tahini. That goes great on that chicken or that beef. All right, if you get down with tahini, you let me know. What do you like to use it on? What's your favorite flavor? They have different flavors as well. Look at this. They got tahini twist. Come on now, put a twist on it. Yeah, this is a tahini twist. Have y'all seen this? Have you tried it? Let me know in the comments if you tried this, all right? Okay, in a second, I'm gonna show you what I had with it. What I put the chicken in, but if you want to keep it low carb, this is one of my go-to options right here. Go and grab some of these right here, lettuce wraps. Easy way. This chicken goes great in here, okay? With a little tahini seasoning, or however you want to get down. You put a little lemon on there, a little lemon pepper. Doesn't matter, but if you want to keep it low carb, go with the lettuce wrap. These jokers are great, all right? I use them with chicken, I use them with beef. Good thing about them is that they have a lot of crunch to them. So when you put the chicken in there, man, I'm just trying to tell you, especially if you're trying to keep it low, even if you're not trying to keep it low carb, if you don't mind the carbs, one thing that I do with these also is I use the lettuce wrap and then I add rice inside the lettuce wrap and then I add the chicken inside there. So you can eat the crunchiness. If you don't want tortillas or anything like that, use something like this. And man, I'm trying to tell you, it comes out great. All right, let me know if you get down with lettuce wraps what are some of the recipes you like to use in your lettuce wraps? Let me know in the comments so that we can all get some better ideas. We can all start cooking healthy. Come on now. Move over to the salad area. Look at that. Salads all over here. Go get you any one of these. It don't matter. Just go grab your classic. Go get your classic. Put the chicken on there. You got your salad. So quick. All right. I mean, just keep this bag in the fridge. When you need to make a salad, dump this in a bowl. You're good to go. All right. It's that simple. Another great way to do it. Go grab you some spinach leaves. Come on now. Spinach is great for you. All right. Put that chicken on some spinach. Man, I'm sure it's so good. Use some lemon as like your dressing, or go with like a, you know, like some type of low fat dressing, maybe a Skinny Girl dressing. You can do Skinny Girl. Skinny Girl goes great with chicken and salads, okay? Go check those out. If you haven't checked out Skinny Girl, man, don't sleep on Skinny Girl. It's good. Put it on here and you'll have your low carb, high protein, quick and easy meal. It's gonna taste great, all right? You're probably gonna eat it again. Okay, now this is what I put the chicken in. Man, it tastes so good. These are my favorite pitas right here. Joseph's Pitas. Let me know if you've gotten down with these, man. Joseph Pitas are so good. Keep these, they just come in clutch, all right? These are really good. They're real soft. They taste great. They go great with that chicken. I knew I had some pitas and I had that chicken, and I put a little lemon, a little fresh lemon with some lemon pepper on there, and that was it. I actually threw a little tahini seasoning on there too, and I had a high protein pita within minutes.
I'm using the pita breads. You don't have to use these. You can use lettuce wraps. You can use regular tortillas. You can use low carb tortillas. You can use whatever you want to use. I'm gonna use the pitas because, man, it tastes good. Take that pita, just pop that joker right on top. Boom, like that, all right? Let that heat up a little bit. All it's gonna do is put some flavor on the other side of that pita. It's gonna heat it just a little bit. It's already soft enough as it is, but look, this is all you gotta do right here. Let it sit on there for a second, let it cool, and then you're ready to go.
It's so simple, okay? Now, you don't have to use a pita if you don't want to. You can use the lettuce wraps. You can use cauliflower rice. You can use regular rice. I mean, there's so many different options. You can use that salad, but let me know if you get down with this, okay? Oh, just a little pro tip too. Anytime you're at Walmart, check out their Sola stock, all right? Whatever they have in stock. They didn't have my favorite bread, which is a sweet and buttery, but they did have some protein. Sola protein bread. This stuff is great, man. I have this stuff all the time. Great way to add protein to your tuna fish sandwiches. You can make French toast with this joker. Make some high protein French toast. Let's go. One slice has 10 grams of protein, man. Come on. You can't beat that. If you've had this, if you've tried this out, you let me know in the comments, because, man, this stuff is good. Anytime I'm at Walmart, it's usually time to get some more bread. So I always look for the Sola, okay? So check Sola next time you're at Walmart, all right? Come on now. Oh, and then buy the breads too, if you want to. Always look for the bagels too. Sola, Walmart's got you covered on the Sola bagels, man. These jokers are good. Great way to get your fiber. Great way to get some added protein, and they taste great. A lot of times what I'll do before the gym is I'll have one of these with some honey on it, and that's it. Man, it's so good, all right? So definitely check out Sola. If you're at Walmart, come check out the Sola selection, because they usually have a good selection, okay? This is the cinnamon raisin one right here. If you don't have the tahini seasoning or your favorite seasoning, let me show you ones that I recommend you use, because I've been using them a lot. This past week, I've had some regular chicken breast. I made it using, I cooked the chicken breast in just some olive oil, and I add these seasonings to it. Man, these have been my favorite lately. Have y'all seen these? These are so good, all right? You can have them on beef and chicken, but man, they taste so good on chicken, all right? Go check these out. Now, this one right here is the garlic and lime. Man, I'll tell you what, you put just a regular chicken breast on the stove, cooking it a little bit of olive oil, keep flipping it, and keep adding this seasoning to it. Man, it is so good. All right, it just comes out great. I've done it a few times already. Now this right here, Chipotle chicken, man, it is a game changer. Get you some of these, keep them in your pantry, keep your pantry stocked with this. Your chicken will never be boring again. Your meals will never be boring again. As long as you cook them right, you're gonna look forward to eating this. I keep chicken breasts in the fridge, and I keep these in the fridge with them, all right, because that's how I get down. Easy and healthy way to get your protein in, all right? So definitely go check these out. All right, man, these seasonings are so good, okay?
All right, guys, just show you how easy it is. Look, I have, now this right here, this is the flame grilled chicken. Now what I'm gonna do is I just measured out chicken here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the microwave. 3 ounces goes in the microwave for 45 seconds, all right? I mean, it's so simple. So if you double that, you double the time. But what I like to put in it as well is a little bit of this right here, some pure lemon juice. You can also use fresh lemons if you want to. Either way, just, you know, just a little splash in there to kind of give it some flavor. And then whichever seasonings you want to go with, I'm gonna go with garlic and lime and Chipotle chicken as well. Man, this stuff is so good. I'm trying to tell you, you gotta try this out, all right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna hit it. I'll season it up a little bit. Hit it with this. Just a little bit. All right, let's put it in the microwave. All right, guys, so there you have it. Make this meal, keep that chicken in stock, man. It is so good. Okay, I'm probably gonna go and make it again. And I have the pitas. I just need to come get some more chicken. And I was excited to show you this one because this is such an easy way. All you need is a microwave. You can make it so quick. Measure out how much protein you need. Remember, one serving with 3 ounces is gonna get you around 19 grams of protein. So determine how much protein you need. You can double that up, or you can add maybe a side of yogurt or a cottage cheese or something like that to add some more protein to your meal. You decide how much protein you need. The best way I do it is whatever your goal weight is. Let's say if you want to get up to 150 pounds or you want to get down to 150 pounds, try to get you 150 grams of protein each day. That should be your goal. How are you going to know how much protein you're getting? Because you're going to track everything. Go download MyFitnessPal, put it on your phone and track everything you eat. That's the only way you're going to know how much protein you have. Make sure you get a scale, you can weigh it out and really measure it out. Really hold yourself accountable. Once you start tracking your food, things will change. You will see some changes. It's guaranteed. You're going to either see how healthy you've been eating or how healthy you haven't been eating. If you're frustrated because you're not hitting your goals, you don't know why you're not losing weight, or you don't know why you're not gaining the weight or gaining muscle and this and that, it's probably because of your nutrition. Hit your protein goals daily. Work on hitting your protein goals first, and then fill in everything else after that. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and I'm always willing to help. I'm always willing to keep making these videos for y'all, but let me know if you have some recipes as well. So what are some of your quick and easy recipes that you can make in minutes? Life gets busy. We need something to eat that's quick. We need to go to work or whatever it is, right? We're all busy. So throw me some of your recipes as well. What do you like to get down with that really helps you hit your protein goals, but it's easy to make and it's as healthy as possible, all right? So I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.